Here's how to do an Ikea bread bin hack with Hemway chalk paint. What you're going to need is a good grab adhesive, Hemway sage green chalk paint, masking tape to protect some of the areas, some paintbrushes, some legs and a screwdriver to mount them on. So the first thing we've got to do is glue the two bread bins together. So while the glue is drying, we're now going to move on to mounting the feet, but these have plates on as well, so we can overlap the joins and make sure it's definitely secure together. So now I've mounted the legs, it's time to put masking tape to protect the top and the bottom, and we'll start putting some paint on. So now the paint's dry, I want to protect it with some Hemway clear matte lacquer. So that's it. If you want to check out any of these products, go to hemway.com to find your next favourite colour.